If you're rocking the Insta360 and it feels just a little bit basic, you're gonna want this. This is a complete overhaul of your Insta360 to turn it into a mean media machine. Now, right out of the box, it does come with some cleaning wipes and all that kind of stuff, as well as a tripod mount for it. All right, so let's take a look at what this bad mamma jamma can do. Now, it really is good quality still, good quality build. I would probably say feels like titanium, not really sure, but it feels really strong, really quality. Like, it's not gonna break. It's gonna protect your Insta360 for sure. You have the GoPro mounts right here. You have a hot shoe mount for if you have an external mic. Audio, you can also have another hot shoe right here as well. It does come with a windscreen for your audio, and on either side it actually comes with a few more if you need some windscreens, so that's always nice. It usually comes with a safety screw, because if you're using this and you accidentally press, you don't want this to come undone for whatever reason if you're sticking it into a tight thing. So they just give you a safety screw, and that's what I use. It's not going to come unlocked for you, but it is really, really simple, easy to use. You slide your Insta360 in there and you're good to go. And then it gives you a topper just like this. You're ready to go. And now you can run this on your tripod, and now you have yourself a brand new rig just with a mount, and it has multiple different attachment points, whether it's a tripod, a hot shoe. You can put a tripod here on the side, just depends on what angle you're gonna do. So if you're rocking an Insta360, in my mind, this is probably a must-have in your bag.